네, 여러분 레벨 1 잘 읽으셨나요? 이제 레벨 2로 읽을 건데요. Level 2 is the same tense as the original text. 동사 시제가 원문과 똑같습니다. 네, 그래. 이제 레벨 2 같이 읽을까요? Level 2 Chapter 1 I saw a big snake in a book. The snake ate an animal. After eating an animal, this snake does not need to eat for 6 months. I drew that big snake. This is my drawing number 1. But the man said, this drawing is of a hat. My drawing was not of a hat, so I drew a picture of an elephant inside that snake. This is my drawing number 2. The man said to me, stop drawing, just do other things. So I gave up being a painter. Now I am a pilot. I flew to many cities in the world. I met many great people, but my mind did not change. When I met a smart person, I showed my drawing number 1. The person said, that is a hat. Then I would never talk to that person about big snakes or the jungle. I would talk about card games and golf to make him happy. Chapter 2 I had no friends to talk to until 6 years ago. At that time, my plane stopped working in the desert, and there was only me. Also, I only had water for a week. The first night, I went to sleep on the sand. I heard a strange little voice in the morning. Draw me a sheep. What? There was a child who looked at me carefully. Here is a drawing of him. But he looks sweeter than my drawing because I stopped drawing after 6 years old. I looked at the child with surprise. You know that this was the desert. The child didn't seem lost in the desert. I said, what are you doing here? And he repeated, draw me a sheep. So I took out a sheet of paper and a pen. But I was still in the desert. As you know, I did not know how to draw. But he said to me, that doesn't matter. Draw me a sheep. I didn't draw a sheep, but I drew the boa snake. Then, no, I do not want an elephant inside a boa snake. I need a sheep. Draw me a sheep. So I drew a sheep, but he said to me, no, This sheep is already very sickly. So I drew over once more. But he rejected it too. I drew another one in a hurry. This is the box. The sheep is inside the box. He spoke with a bright face. That is exactly what I want. Does this sheep eat a lot? Why? Because in my place, everything is very small. I said, he is a very small sheep. There is enough grass for him. He said, not so small that, look, he has fallen asleep. Chapter 3. I got to know the little prince little by little. When he saw my airplane, he asked me, "What is that?" That is an airplane. It can fly. He cried out, "What? You dropped down from the sky?" I answered softly, "Yes." "Oh, that is funny. Ha ha. So you come from the sky too? Where is your star?" I was surprised, so I asked him quickly, "Do you come from another star?" But he did not answer. He looked at the plane and said, "You can't come from very far away by this." After a time, he carefully took the drawing of the sheep out of his pocket. Other stars? I asked many questions. Where do you come from? Where do you want to take your sheep? He said, "This box is the sheep's house at night. If you are good, I will give you a rope to tie the sheep." Tie the sheep? That is strange. But if you don't tie the sheep, he will go away. It is okay because my star is so small.